Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. In today's video, I just want to let those of you that are watching my robotics channel, but you guys have your own channels. If you have not seen, YouTube has actually lowered the qualifications or requirements for the YouTube partnership program. So instead of 1,000 subscribers, they have dropped it to 500 subscribers. And instead of 4,000 YouTube hours, watch, view, whatever you want to call it, they've lowered it to 3,000 watch hours. And so you might be thinking, awesome, and you might have to hold off a bit because most of YouTubers that get to the 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch hour plateau are now eligible to make the ad revenue or, revenue sharing. The only catch with this lowering of the bar is now they're going to allow, they're not going to necessarily share the ad revenue, but you're able now to get monetization through other forms like super thanks and memberships like that. And so the only catch in this is that a lot of YouTubers who might have just those 500 subscribers don't necessarily have the chances of getting a lot of those monetizations with the super thanks and the memberships because their audience is not that large. But it's a really good thing, so that way, at least if you're not at that huge 1,000 subscriber point, and let's say you're at 480, now you're like, hey, that's awesome. At least you can now begin that step. It's almost like a stepping stone to get to that ad revenue at the 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch hours plateau. And so just letting you guys know that it's now, because before you weren't able to now get memberships, and now you can get memberships where people can pay that monthly subscription to get those special perks. You don't have to wait until you get to that 1,000 level. So this is actually pretty good news, and for those of you that are trying to struggle, might see this as a, hey, that's pretty good. What would be nice is if they could somehow lower the chances of getting a play button, because of 100,000 subscribers, I mean, in my view, that's pretty tough to get. If they could drop it to 50 to 25,000, I think they would motivate a lot of more YouTubers out there, but we'll see how that goes. This might be just a step in that direction, who knows. So just letting you guys know that for those of you that are YouTubers and are creators and trying to, grow a channel, this is pretty good news for a lot of YouTubers out there.